bow. We're gonna put right sides together. I'm gonna have you, Allison, just sew 1/4 of an inch to the middle, leave a gap, and then you're gonna sew here and then go off to the end. You need to back stitch when you get here, because then that will hold it tight.
Doing just a little tiny back stitch on there.
I'm just gonna mark my diagonal on both sides. Okay, so now I'm gonna have Allison sew 1/4 of an inch past that.
I'm gonna go on the outside.
So then all we'll need to do is trim that. So now our fun thing is we're going to turn it inside, right side out. Then you'll take it to your iron and you will press, and then I will just take it to my machine and use 1/8 of an inch all the way around. So then all you have to do is use your favorite method to tie a fun bow.